In this video I'm gonna show you how we can enter and exit the Fastboot mode on the Motorola Edge 60 Pro. So first of all, we need to press power button and volume up button at the same time in order to open the power menu. Once you do that, we need to power off our phone. Let's wait for the phone to completely turn off, and once it is off, we need to press and hold the power button and volume down button. So just press and hold both of these buttons and just keep holding it until you see the Fastboot mode over here. Now in this mode we have to navigate by using volume buttons, so use volume up or volume down in order to choose a different option. And if you want to exit the Fastboot mode, you can simply choose start option. If you choose start, then we will go back to the normal mode. You confirm your choice by pressing the power button. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.